two-dimensional Gaussian random variables. Two-dimensional Gaussian random variables are given by fxy of x of y is 1 divided by 2 pi into root of 1 minus rho of xy square, where rho of xy is the correlation coefficient, covariance coefficient. So e raised to minus of x square minus 2 rho xy plus y square divided by 2 into 1 minus rho of xy square, where rho of xy, the magnitude of this one is less than 1, hence 1 minus rho xy square is greater than or equal to 0. The PDF of equation is of zero mean and unity variance. That means mx my is equal to, that is ex and ey is 0 and del x and del y are equal to 1. So integration from minus infinity to plus infinity twice fxy of x and y is equal to 1, and this can be proved for the Gaussian random variables. So we can go for double integration of the fxy of xy. So when we go for this integration into dx dy, then to solve this one we are putting u is equal to this y minus rho xy divided by 1 minus rho xy. So we have x square y minus rho xy root of 1 minus rho xy. When we take this value, then here we adjust this equation in such a way that to make it a bit more clear, let's see, refer the PDF file for this. So here x square minus the same integration, x square minus 2 rho xy plus y square is there, and same 1 minus rho xy square. Now here we need to solve this integration, and to solve this we take u is equal to y minus rho xy, y minus rho xy divided by y minus rho xy root of 1 minus rho xy is equal to some variable. Let's consider this one as u. So if this is equal to u, then we can split these integrations. Let's say with respect to x we take up one integration, and e to the power minus x square divided by this 2 will write as it is, divided by, let's write this 2 pi also, and e to the power we write u square. So because u is y minus rho xy, so we can write it is y square and it is rho xy. So this becomes e raised to minus of x square divided by 2, and the next remains is this 2 pi is taken here, then minus infinity to plus infinity e raised to, and we are taking u is equal to y minus rho x. So this is not there, y minus rho x divided by root of 1 minus rho xy square as u. So here except this x square will be having y minus rho xy. So y minus 2 rho xy will be having, so we adjust this one to y minus rho xy root of 1 minus rho of xy the whole square. And by adjusting we write this one as e to the power minus u square by 2 into dy dx dy, wherein this dy is equal to du is equal to dy divided by root of 1 minus rho xy square. So which gets cancelled, which cancels this one, and we can write this one as 1 divided by 2 pi integration from minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus of x square by 2 dx. And similarly we can write this one as u square, and this becomes du. And after solving this, we know that 1 by root of 2 pi e raised to x square by 2 with a minus power, and 1 by root of 2 pi e to the power minus u square by 2 du is equal to 1. So by using this, we can prove that this integration is equal to 1. The correlation of two-dimensional Gaussian random variables c of xy is equal to e of xy, so which is the double integration of xy fxy of dx dy, so which is rho x y. So let's solve a problem in relation to this. Two independent random variables x and y are added to form a new random variable w. So prove the following relations for the sum mx plus my and del w square, variance of w square, variance of w is equal to sum of variances of x and y. Here w is equal to x plus y and mw is equal to mx plus my. And by considering this one, e of w is equal to e of x plus e of y. Then this del square of w is equal to expectation of w minus mw, the square. And when we substitute this w as x plus y and mw as mx plus my, then after solving we get this x minus mx plus y minus my, the whole square of this. So let's consider this bracket, and it is square, and e of x minus mx square we can write, and we can write this one as the square a plus b whole square by applying this one x minus mx square and y minus my square and 2 of x minus mx y minus my. So by using those, del x square plus 2 into cxy plus del y square we get, wherein del of w, del w square is equal to del x square plus del y square, because x and y, so two independent random variables is given, and for independent random variables c of xy is always equal to 0. So we get this one as del w square is equal to del x square plus del y square. And similarly we can go for the next one. So let x and y be exponentially distributed random variables with fx of x is equal to, so we have solved this kind of a problem in the first module. Then obtain the characteristic function and PDF of probability distribution function of w is equal to x plus y. So fx of x is equal to, we know, so fy of y is equal to, so fy of y has to be this one. Fy of y has to be y, this lambda e to the power minus of lambda into y, it has to be, wherein y is greater than 0 and it is 0 for y less than 0. So by taking this, we can write this one as, so this w is equal to x plus y, where fw of w is given by fx of x convolution fy of y. So let's see how does it happens. Minus integration from minus infinity to plus infinity fx of x and fy of w minus x dx. So here x and w will be related by means of convolution operation. So fx of x is lambda into e to the power of minus lambda x, and fy of w minus x is lambda into e to the power of minus lambda w minus x, and this is dx. So which will be given by lambda into lambda, lambda square, then e to the power of lambda into w. So as this integration is with respect to 0 to w, so this dx solution will make it as a w will come, and we have lambda square w e to the power minus lambda w, wherein w is greater than or equal to 0, otherwise it is 0, w is less than 0. Now here the confusion is this w is equal to x plus y, then fw of w is equal to the convolution of x and y. How does this come? So let's see this one. So here there is a proof. So prove the following for two independent random variables x and y where w is equal to x plus y. Then prove that fw is equal to fx of x convolution fy of y. Means if w is the sum of x and y, then how come the probability distribution function fw is the convolution of x and y, and even the characteristic function is the multiplication of x and y? How does it happens? Let's see. fw of w is so much we need to prove. So for that, let's consider the solution. The CDF of w is given by capital F of w, which is P of probability of w less than w. So here P is equal to x plus y. Now w is nothing but x plus y, less than or equal to w. Then let's consider a two-dimensional coordinate system wherein horizontal axis represents x and vertical axis represents y, and we are considering this w as a line. So let's say w is a line which represents x plus y, which represents x plus y. Then fw of w is nothing but the shaded region fxy of xy dx dy. So x plus y is less than or equal to w can be written as x plus y is less than or equal to w can be written as y is equal to w minus x. So x plus y is less than or equal to w. Now we are considering a line that is w. So w is equal to x plus y it is. And if we are there on this side, on the left of this line, then certainly our x plus y, means whatever is the value of this x and y, will be what? Less than this w. And if this value of our x plus y is greater than w, then will be on the right side of this line. And the same condition is written. Now what is the condition with respect to y? Y is equal to w minus x. So we write the CDF function, the integration. Of course it is a two-dimensional plane, means two integrations we have, minus infinity to plus infinity, fxy of xy dx dy. So we write this one as fxy of x, and in place of y we write it as w minus x, and this dx as it is, and even dy will be there. But as our y is w minus x, so we remove the second integration, we write it as, to cover the shaded region, we write this one as from minus infinity to, because from minus infinity that all region belongs here but not the plus infinity. So minus infinity to w minus x we write fxy of xy dy dx. And when we substitute this, when y is been written as w minus x, so we get this equation and we get the dx itself. So integration from minus infinity to plus infinity, fxy of x and fy of y. So it is just like a convolution equation, that is x of k h of n minus k, that kind of a form. So in case of this statistics, so for this equation we represent it as integration from minus infinity to plus infinity fxy of x and fy of w minus x. So it is w minus x. When we represent this w minus x, it is nothing but fx of x and fy of x. So in place of y we can write w minus x, and which represents the convolution equation. The characteristic equation phi w is equal to, we need to prove that phi of w is equal to phi x and phi y's multiplication. So characteristic equation is nothing but the e of e raised to j omega x. So fw of w e raised to j omega w dw, so which will be written as fxy of x and w minus x dx e to the power of j omega w into dw. So since x and y are independent, phi of w is equal to integration from minus infinity to plus infinity fx of x and fy of w minus x dx of j omega w dw is equal to, and when we substitute w minus x as u, then we can write this one as, and w becomes u plus x. So here this e to the power of omega w is ux, so u plus x. So we get j omega u and j omega x du dx as from this equation. So which is nothing but fx of x and fy of fu of u du. We can say e to the power of j omega u. So which is nothing but the multiplication of them. So here in obtaining the characteristic equation, we find e of e raised to j omega x for the characteristic equation of x. So and similarly for e to the power of j omega w, for this w we get fw of w e to the power of j omega w, and fw of w is substituted from the above equation. fxy of w minus x minus w minus x is being considered. So the conclusion is, always in case of the two random variables, in case of two independent random variables, fw of w is the product of fx and fy's. It is the convolution of fx and fy, and characteristic equation is the product of those. So we can see here that fw is the convolution of fx and fy, and the characteristic equation of w is the product of characteristic equations of x and y.